Stand up, no get no. I thought I chineka in mama. Stand up, oh time don't come.
I was like, what are you doing? Oh my goodness. You see? Who is calling you? Do you know him?
Nah. Excuse me. Jadon oh?
You can't see me. How are you?
Okay, good. Thank you.
Yes.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Yeah. You don't tell why I don't see you. Say this way you know they frequent here again. But before that, nature don't understand. Because I don't say you don't understand what I want to tell you now. I said, I found that woman.
Which woman?
Are your mama now?
Which one be say that? Which one be say that my mama now?
Oh God, stop this way they do. This small picking no go understand anything. That your mama will carry you come here that day where forget her panty. Where you come forget your clothes as they go, they'll give you 40,000.
I don't understand what they talk. Which woman? This is the only woman I have here.
That's what it be.
This is the only woman I have here.
Hey, Mr. Linus. They lie. Linus Mba. This is the only woman. How can you picking the beam? Stop that. That mama, that sugar mama where you carry you come here.
There is no sugar mama. This is my woman.
The sugar mama where carry you come here that day where you cry for me here for here. You cry say they pay you 40,000. Say you no agree, you collect 40.
Enough of all that. Enough. Okay, I don't understand. No. You look me finish. You look me from head to toe. Like with Anyo Kenya. You look me finish. You push me, go one side. They talk to my fiancé. I don't understand.
Wait, your fee.
Yes, you heard me right. What kind of disrespect is that? How can I call him mommy?
Nah. Fiancé.
Do you know you are talking to my baby? Yes, you are talking to my baby.
How? What did they happen for this life, sir? Small one, go call the big mama. Small picking, go call the one.
What do you mean? Why are you calling my baby small pikin? This is my girlfriend, Mr. Man. What's your problem?
Okay, I don't say. I see. Hold it. I've seen it that you can insult people. Yes, in my case, I call him mother, but no problem. Young man, I beg. What is he trying to tell you?
I don't understand what he's saying. You are the only woman I know. What are you saying, Mr. Man? Take your me and sugar mommy. What are you saying? Baby.
Look at me and tell me, what is he talking about?
I'm looking at you. I don't know what he's talking about.
Who is that woman?
Which woman? Which woman, Oga?
No, now me they ask that question. Now why when I can't take lie, you take a sword and coat, wear them for head. You take lie, flat hell, you they ask me which woman. Few days ago, one mama where carry you come, you lie down for her chest, you tell her your sugar mama, say that day you know where clothes to go. The clothes when you come, the woman come out. I say him pay 40,000. He said the 40,000 too small. Say him drink action bitter. Drink so many drink. He drink so many drink.
Okay, what is your problem? What is your problem?
You carry your mama.
No, I don't know this. I don't know the woman he's talking about.
Why you go now?
Okay, what's your problem?
Why you? So this say you like them old.
What's your problem?
The older the sweet. I'm not going to talk.
This is my fiancé.
But you get the information. Did you get what he said?
I don't know what he's talking about.
Hey,
he talk at me in details.
Babe,
Tell me it's not true.
You're the only one I love.
We can never be. You can never be the only one.
Oh my goodness.
I will give you 3 counts now. Why I not say don't carry you come here. Since you decided now your mama, you go they follow. See, even if say yes, I know say yeah. But see,
this man is just a security man. This man is just a security man.
So
You're the only one I love.
Who you are?
How do you
I just
know
have to come because he's an elderly man. I just have to respect him.
I'm elder.
But you said you know him.
I'm now elder.
Mr. What is your problem? Can your problem now?
No, elder.
What is your problem?
You are cheating
Oh,
on me, right?
no, you don't do me anything. No, the woman where you do
You are
something.
cheating on me, right?
Baby,
It's
After
name take
all
us
I've
some.
done for you, you're cheating on me. Are you okay?
Fight
you
for-
okay?
Fight for your rights.
Are you okay?
When you know I fight for his
All
right,
the
no, they
promise you gave to me.
Oh.
Get out there.
You promise
You want to
them.
listen
Or
to
if
this
you're
man?
messing around, if you think you can mess around with me, I'm very off listen.
Collect
Give
everything when
me
you buy.
this phone.
Collect.
You think you can mess around with me?
Say now you buy shirt, collect to. Okay, you put on your top.
upload everything.
Baby, baby,
Baby, yeah, come on.
Stop. Are you going to listen to this man over me?
Hey!
This is just a security man.
A God says,
Upload this thing.
innocent to come. A righteous man.
Don't provoke me, oh.
Come on today, come on.
Come on, everything.
My mom has rise, no wonder. Because people like you, they hardly make money.
I even heard you were naked when you were going. Give me everything.
Naked.
It's not the first time. It's not the first
I was
time.
so
Are you going to
irritated.
listen to this man over me?
Come on, Oga, English,
Come
come on, are you going to? Don't repeat that too much. Come on, close. People,
Don't try me, oh. Don't try me, oh. Don't try me. Make
come on,
Give me.
Okay, you okay.
Yes.
Are you going to listen to this man over me?
Oh, okay, no, over who?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
this English not too much. Come on, the guy who wants more pictures. Come on to make we see
Come on, this is
Yeah,
not
move,
what
come on,
I'm
agree
What
where
is
you
it you're
going.
doing? You're disgracing me outside.
You are a disgrace to yourself.
You betrayed me.
Wait,
Leave me alone.
we can settle this thing.
me
Confess, we can settle this thing.
Don't let them deceive you.
Confess.
Don't let them
We can
deceive
settle
you.
this
Don't
thing.
touch me. Don't
I
try.
said you should come, we can settle this thing.
Don't touch me, oh.
Collect what you have. Everything where you buy for and collect. Now so then they do. Now so then they do. Small time now. They say don't listen to this old man. Small boy like me where took work last week. Now me come be old man. I'm all a prapi gwenegu. Idiot. You want deny. So you keep small child like this for us. Come magronelu jackie. My nonga miagicho bawagaka. You cry home. No wonder she wear black and black because she knows she's going to eat you and leave you alone. 40,000 can madden you. This hard time you rejected 40,000. Person buy clothes to give you from head to toe. In there you put here, Christmas. What is there? Now here I did, now me I know now. So I don't want to repent to give your life to Christ. When I go do am by force. Security man with the pride on him.
Okay, open door, make I come from here now.
Elenkatana boy. Who be that back in
Come out from this gate, make I come out now.
Who? Nah. You what opening wide the gate? Hey, any one. I thought she like we keep bought on them. Why are you naked? What happened? Huh?
I don't like you at this place, so. She from that woman who I don't even understand
Your
the kind
mama
of sugar.
now?
Look at my mama. My sugar mommy. I don't even understand the kind of sugar mommy. After the whole thing that happened, I'm on my heritage bitters, everything. Or be an 40,000.
40,000. You're not carrying. We know that piece of phone. Did you get it? Somebody give you 40,000 only to enjoy yourself. You're supposed to appreciate it. When I talk and before, Shebi one beat me.
I don't understand.
Why you go understand? Maybe you go lie on top of her vital phone. Shebi you carry head put for breast. Mama, nene.
In the Tirimaya in this place, I like him, yeah. The first time frog, I don't like you. In the Tirimaya in this place.
You know,
You're just a security man.
I know. Security, I'm also here to secure your life. You don't forget your clothes. Your mama forget her pants. Now you don't forget to collect your clothes. Or chip rag here. Eh? See as the heat they pour out for your body.
So my draw, all more than at this hotel. More than if no problem. I'm not another place.
When one mother closes, another mother opens. There are so many sugar mummies that you can entangle with. Oh, they give you 40,000, you they complain. Wait till you walk. Did you do bricklayer? Can you use the phone? Can you use the laptop? Or did you clear her bush? You only enjoyed yourself and they pay you on top. You have mouth to complain. Ungrateful fellow. Idiot of no. Oh, my dear, welcome. Oh, customer. Welcome. Oh, look at how these two people enter now. Big and big, everything amako. Nego progo. Baigani lagishi. You have mouth to complain. For 40,000 at this hard time. This regime, where we say everybody suppose, even if now 1 naira they give you, collect them. You not a sugar mommy eba, not a honey mommy eba. Not one new mommy ever. Not a odra wose. We are not going to you. Since you came out to this world now to collect money from sugar mommy. Is the sugar gebugu, you go get diabetes very soon. Idiot of no in comparison. When you go to tell children, beware of what you do. Because whatever you sow today, you must reap it tomorrow. Hansi no. Chifimo, you too talk. I'm a gate man with pride that they talk out. And I'll keep on telling you people the truth until all of you repent and give your life to Christ. Giving life to Christ is not when you carry Bible, they shout. Oh. You have to minimize the way you live, minimize the things you do that is not right. Because when we do wrong, we know. Don't wait until a pastor tell you say you are a sinner before you go know that you are one. You must not be over 100 or too righteous. But those fundamental sins where we say we know say this thing is wrong. Let's take away our hands from it so that our future will be brighter and brighter. I will get the cabinet. Well done, sir. There we go. Nice man. Look at the people who are supposed to come here. Now them be people where the hotel is meant for.